So I kind of have a sketch. I'm going to give it a center line just to help myself stay in line. And the perspective of this is pretty acute because it's going straight down. And again, it's a symmetrical piece, but the bottom elliptical shape is very distorted. Gets you up to the top, and it's not until you see a rim of where this tank changes direction that you see the separation of that piece coming through from top to bottom. And again, even with the shading of this, you can, it's got a lot of texture to it. Some scratching in there, setting it up there. Use a little paper, a little side of the pencil action to get that going. And the highlights on the top of the tank are going to curve. And the reflections usually follow the light source, whatever happens to be in there. A couple of these gauges that they show. So it's kind of a simple shape, but again, a lot of texture to it. And again, use the reference, zoom into it, so you can see some of the detail. Look at the top part of this. The closer you get to see a couple things here. Now this does have a little bit of a label, so I'm just going to place that in there. Piece, and just kind of shown, so you'll see a little bit of the repeated pattern on some of these objects, which helps the illusion of that illustration. I'm just kind of heaving up the outline here. And then, any of the highlights you can bring back in with the eraser. Just putting that in there. You can even wrap it around. Sometimes the eraser doesn't pick everything up on the first time, so it actually smears it, which gives you a nice technique in there. And helps that cause go right there. Use your finger, use one of the smudging tools to highlight it. There you go.